Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. I wish you all a happy new year and I hope you will have a wonderful and prosperous 2021. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. One day a vain crow found some feathers which a peacock had set. Sticking them among his own rusty black ones, he began to strut about, ignoring and despising his old friends and companions. Dressed in his borrowed plumage, he very cockily sought out a flock of peacocks who were walking with stately steps on the park lawn. Instantly detecting the true nature of the intruder, they stripped him of his finery and falling upon him with the sharp beaks, they sent him packing. The bedraggled crow, sadder but wiser, betook himself to his former companions and would have been satisfied to associate with them again. But the crows, remembering how obnoxious he had been with his ears and his vanity, drummed him out of their society. One of those whom he had so lately despised offered him the following advice: be contented with what nature made you, and you will avoid the contempt of your peers and the punishment of your betters. The name of the story, The Vain Crow. The moral, happiness is not to be found in borrowed finery. The second story, a thief was clambering over the wall when the watchdog began barking. Be still, hissed the thief. I am one of your master's friends. But the dog kept on growling and barking. Hoping to silence him, the thief reached into a bag and tossed some scraps of food down to the dog. No, you don't, snapped the watchdog. I had my suspicions of you before, but now that you are so free with your gifts, I am sure your intentions are evil. The name of the story, The Thief and the Dog. The moral, a bribe in hand betrays mischief at heart. Now, daily motivational quote. Dream beautiful dreams and then work to make those dreams come true. Spencer W. Kimball. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay at rest. Stay tuned.